The way you treat your impulses is the way you treat yourself. Every time you say yes to distraction, delay what matters, or soften your standards, you send a quiet message. This is good enough. And your mind believes you. Discipline is not punishment. It's a private agreement that your future deserves protection from your present moods. You feel the test in small moments. The alarm rings. You want 5 more minutes. The work gets uncomfortable. You reach for your phone. No one is watching. That's exactly when the decision counts. A disciplined man doesn't argue with every feeling. He recognizes that feelings are weather. They pass. His standards stay. When you keep a promise to yourself, something subtle happens. Your posture changes. Your thoughts get cleaner. You stop negotiating with weakness because you've proven you don't have to obey it. This is where self-respect is built. Not in grand gestures, in quiet refusals to betray your own priorities. And once you taste that control, chaos starts to look optional. Most people wait to feel ready. Discipline teaches you to move without permission from your emotions. Imagine a hard conversation you've been avoiding. Your mind invents reasons to delay. Tomorrow is better. You need the right mood, but delay has a cost. It trains you to fear discomfort. When you act anyway, you reverse the lesson. You show your nervous system that tension is survivable. Each deliberate action becomes evidence. I can handle this. This is how emotional strength is formed. Not by suppressing feeling, but by refusing to let it steer the wheel. You'll still feel resistance, fatigue, doubt. A disciplined mind doesn't panic when they appear. It expects them, like background noise. Over time, your reactions lose their authority. You stop chasing relief and start choosing direction. That shift is powerful. It means your day is guided by intention, not impulse. And intention creates a kind of quiet confidence. You walk differently when you know you can rely on yourself under pressure. Discipline is ultimately a form of respect for the person you are becoming. Every restrained reaction, every finished task, every moment you choose clarity over comfort is a vote for that future self. Life will keep offering disorder. People will provoke you. Circumstances will shift. You can't control that. What you control is the space between stimulus and response. In that space lives your character. When you pause instead of exploding, when you continue instead of quitting, you carve a stable center inside yourself. Others feel it. More importantly, you feel it. Self-respect isn't loud. It doesn't need announcement. It's the calm knowledge that your actions match your standards. And when that alignment becomes your habit, discipline stops feeling like effort. Feels like identity. You're no longer forcing yourself to act well. You're simply being the kind of person who does.